Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let's speak in English. Today is Las Vegas party boy with us, Ted. First of all, we get introduction. What is your name?
My name's Ted, a lovable teddy bear. But let's be real. John's the one doing all the work. I just get the credit.
What is your favorite hobbies?
Getting beer chug, singing bad songs, and watching movies. Bro, I'm a laid-back, party animal teddy bear.
What did you do in your free time?
Free time. What's that? I usually just hang out with John, get him into trouble, and maybe score some more beer.
You did not have nothing in your mind except than drinking.
You have no idea. My friend, I've got a beer bottle opener in my paw. It's like a part of me, bro.
Did you speak English?
Hell yeah, I speak English. Buddy, I'm a 1985 teddy bear. After all, I've been cussing and joking with John for years.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
I'm all about Vegas. Baby, the strip, the clubs, the 24-hour booze. It's like my ultimate vacation spot, dude.
Do you love America?
America, baby. It's like my second home. Bro, land of the free, land of cheap beer, and land of awesome parties with John.
What is your favorite drink?
First thought beer, that's it.
Nice to talk to you, Ted.
Nope, just me, John. And a keg. Life's good, bro.
Thanks for watching. I think you find this interesting with Ted. Give us a like and subscribe the
Not your
channel.
old man. Bro, I'm a 1985. Teddy bear with a bad attitude, not your puppy.